The students' visas are also dropped down, but still they are in top countries like United Kingdom, Australia, Canada, New Zealand, China, Germany, France, and Ireland. These are the number. How many students are going over there? So these are the top countries you can choose over there. Why these are the top countries? We will see the QS ranking. Next, please. And cheapest country. Cheapest country you can understand by this study as well. Cheapest country like Norway, Taiwan, Germany, France, Mexico, Argentina, and Poland. But it depends which scholarship you apply and where the QS rankings are available or not. Next means again some are more in 2024. Cheapest means what is the conversion rate from the Indian rupees to their country. It depends on there as well. So there are Germany, France, Mexico, Norway, Poland, Denmark, Argentina, Malaysia, and Taiwan and Belgium. Next please. And if you ask cheapest मतलब कितना खर्चा आएगा, तो ये पूरा का पूरा खर्चा मैंने यहाँ पे लिख भी रखा. So like in Norway, no tuition fee. अक्सर बोलते हैं ट्यूशन फीस अलग होती है, डेवलपमेंट फीस अलग है, फिर आपकी स्पोर्ट्स फीस, जिम फीस और लिविंग कॉस्ट, these are different. And they also write a living cost 8 to 10 lakh rupees. Germany 6 lakh 90,000 rupees per semester. Semester means half a year. Okay, other thing. But no tuition fees again. It depends again which university you are going for. Okay. And of course, you get the scholarship if you have 75%, 80%, Malaysia, Denmark, Italy, and Spain. Next, please. Now, difference between Indian study and the foreign study. Suppose you are doing masters. How many are aspirants over here? Those who want to go for the masters, please raise your hand. Only 1, 3, 4. So 5% or 8% would like to go. मैंने पूछा ऐसे कितने लोग हैं जो पीजी या मास्टर्स करना जाना चाहते हैं विदेश में? कृपया अपने हाथ उठाइए. तो मुझे लगेगा कि कितने लोग रेलिवेंट और सुन रहे हैं और वेरी रेलिवेंट आंसर टू दैट. यस, मास्टर्स में भी अनदर प्रोग्राम. Quality, especially top institution. It means you have to qualify for the NET, GATE. In master and abroad, with a global okay, so global exposure for a better exposure in the research authority, limited in India, limited some fields, growing focus in the top institutions. Research facility, whatever facility ISRO and DRDO have in the India, you will find the same standard of the research laboratory in any other university in the foreign. But of course, it should fall under the category of the QS rank. Next is classroom experience. No, previous slide. Classroom experience. Comparable to the top institute like IITs, if you have visited IITs, fantastic, may offer more interactive and global experience. Like classroom experience, like we are sitting over here is a very depth is very high in this type of the hall, where they will find width is very high, width is more. So there is a one-to-one interaction will be more over there. Global recognition. Of course, India is getting global higher recognition, but in foreign you are already recognized with metropolitan, cosmopolitan exposure with this thing. All over the India, person go there over there. Next. Which type of degree you can opt over there? Like technical degree, computer science, information technology, excellent masters in India, but in abroad, US, Canada, and Europe offer better paying opportunity in technology and especially in the Silicon Valley. These are computer science and other things. Other than the mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, these are the core engineering branches where India has a limited opportunity, but still Germany is a heaven for the automobile and mechanical engineers. leaders in other European countries are offer strong job support to aspects in mechanical, civil and chemical engineering. They are both other things. Next is MBA, Business Management. Rapidly growing opportunity to the global firms as rapidly growing. Now we are growing, but still what we are copying, we are following for the foreign. There is excellent opportunity in the top of the international firms like Goldman, Sachs, and other things. These are European and American countries. Medical and health are limited scope in India, but high demand in the country like US, UK, and Canada. Medical and as well as the health. The most of the person goes for the nursing after nursing course as well. Arts and design as well. The good scope in India with growing creative sector, expanding opportunity in US and Europe. These are the subject-wise criteria what you can do in the masters in India, difference, and the master in the UK, in abroad. Next, please. Highest paying job. Over here as well. I'm writing everything in the dollars. करोड़ों में होती है, तो we are just living just. I'm trying to motivate you the highest paying job you will find over here. When you are fine filling this exam, registration form. आपसे पूछा था ना कि आखिरी में कि आप लोग विदेश क्यों जाना चाहते हैं? क्या क्या लिखा था? किसी ने लिखा था पढ़ने, किसी ने कहा था नॉलेज करने, किसी ने लिखा था पैसा कमाने, किसी ने लिखा था मेरे घर में बड़ी पुअर कंडीशन है, आर्थिक स्थिति खराब है, हाँ किसी ने लिखा अंधा पैसा कमाना है. You can write this thing. So these are good opportunity over there, but it depends how which type of the skill you develop, which type of the subject you choose, and do good there as well. Next, please. These are the, if you don't want to go to the Europe and America, still there are opportunity about different type of the world you can still go. Like in Africa, Libya, Peru, North Europe, Turkey, Thailand, New Zealand, Dubai, and Ghana. Dubai is becoming a new hub for the education. Because from here, the European countries have restricted the immigration laws, particularly in England and the France and Germany. So what they do, and of course in the America as well. So what they opened their campuses in Dubai. So if you can go to the Dubai, it's 3 hours flight, and they started their campus over there. So same type of education over there. Okay, they need a classroom and the faculty is fantastic. You can learn over there, and you can still what about the world. Next, most preferred. अब किसी के मन में ये प्रश्न आ सकता है कि सर आजकल तो जमाना ऑनलाइन का हो गया है, हम तो ऑनलाइन सीख ही सकते हैं. जब सब चीजें ऑनलाइन अवेलेबल हैं तो फॉरेन जाना ही क्यों? ऑफ कोर्स. तो आई एम गिविंग द गुड एग्जांपल. अदरवाइज रील में भी आपको बढ़िया पोहा बनाना सिखा देंगे, वो सीखना अलग होता है, ठीक है. बट until unless you do not prepare a poha at home, you are not learning. You are just making yourself habitual to see रील्स. आपको रील देखने की आदत हो जाती है बस. हाँ कि चने कैसे बनाना है, पानी पूरी कैसे बनाना है, चाय कैसे बनाना है, आपको रील देखने की आदत हो गई है. और यूट्यूब में देख रहे हैं कि ये मैगी कैसे बनती है. तो वो कोर्स नहीं, आपको प्रॉपर एक कोर्स करना, उसका असेसमेंट लेना, उसका एग्जाम देकर सर्टिफाइड होना, दैट इज कॉल्ड अ कोर्स. एंड स्टिल दैट कोर्स इज course credit whatever you earn is getting transferred to your mark sheet. This is not a complete formal education by online course. उस तरह कोर्स के अंदर में आ गए हैं. पर ये नाम दिए हुए हैं, कुछ 10 नाम दिए हैं. Still you can do MBA, you can do MCA, you can do Bachelor of Arts, Bachelor of Commerce, Science, MBA, Computer Application, Commerce, Arts, and Master of Science, and Postgraduate Diploma. Why I am reading all this thing? There is nothing like core engineering. You don't learn, you don't perform any experiment in lab. तो वो जरूरी है उसके अंदर. इसलिए ऑनलाइन कोर्स का एक सब्जेक्ट अलग है. इस तरह आपने देखा है IIT चेन्नई, IIT जोधपुर, they have launched their BTech programs in data science. Okay, not in the electronics now, in the data science they have learned. So you can do still this thing because it's a computer-based job you can do, and you can do summer internship by going to their respective laboratories in summer and tested to be. These are online courses. and this is open upon the MIT, Australia, and most people in the world countries, they also offer online. इसमें क्या बन जाता है आपका पूरा के पूरा लिविंग एक्सपेंस बच जाता है. The tuition fees are also lower. इंडिया के अंदर